So my hopes here today is to bring this guy back from the dead. We pulled, let me see if I can get it. There it is. There's one of these chips here. It's supposed to be right there. We pulled that off. It's not gonna let me focus that close. Right now I'm preheating my board on this donor board. This isn't exactly the same. This has got some extra component features in it for some reason. This was supposed to be a replacement for this guy that simply probably needed repairs, but it ended up coming in and being a completely different module. Purple inserts. It would still work, so we still got some hope in it. You see the orange inserts. This is a CM849A. And my goal is to take this, and I'm not using my normal setup because I'm on my hot plate today, and I need to get a good rig for using my hot plate. I got this cheap camera, and I mean, it might look better if I get a lens for it and get a better monitor, but currently this is what I'm using just to get by on this particular workstation. So as soon as this board warms up, I'm gonna apply some hot air from the top and pull that chip off of there and replace it onto the other board and see if we can't get anything talking. So I got the hot air on here. I'm going to try to work myself into this position to get this off. You gotta be a contortionist with this setup that I'm working under right now. It's not exactly what I need. And I didn't open this board up all the way. Just trying to get it open enough to get a component that I need. And hope that it's the only one. Let me try to get that back under the camera a little bit. I moved it out from under the microscope again. Quirky setup. Keep hitting it. I have turned it because this sucks the way I got this set up. Make sure I didn't hurt anything. Alright, it didn't hurt anything, but we did move it. It's pulling the heat away as fast as I can give it. Ooh, and she's off. It is off. There you have it right there. Let's get it out of there. final check under the scope for any damage I did to the leg when it twisted. Nothing. It seems to be okay. I'm gonna switch the board out and transplant this one onto the other board. All right, let's put this other guy back in here. I had an issue with this board where the original leg to the board, to the excuse me, to the original chip was fused. Let me grab that chip. It's right here. I'll show you an example. This is what we pulled off. Let me get my camera back in focus. You can see that it's burnt slap up. So we're gonna use the one we just borrowed. And I'll show you. Was that leg gone? Yeah, that one was missing a leg on this one. You see that leg came off. It was burnt off already. I'm pretty sure I lost a piece of my leg. I did. Maybe I didn't. I mean, a piece of my trace right in here is what I thought I lost. Maybe I didn't lose it. Maybe what I cut was something off of here. Let me check a little closer. What is that light is in the way? Something like that. It's not doing it right. Okay. I can't really see. There's a G or something down there. That's right where the point.
It looks right.
Everything looks blurry on my screen for some reason. There we go. I'm probably going to fix that pad. I'm going to try to slip a piece of trace underneath that if I'm not making no contact. Pretty sure I felt that slip into place. It's connected. It's connected. It's a little crooked. Connected. Connected. I don't know if that's connected or not. That's the problem leg right there. This second one in. It might be connected, it might not be. Get some more flux. Fun times. Let's see if we got continuity. For some reason I don't. I should go back around that guy. I gotta do a little bit more. Continuity. We now have continuity on that leg. From that leg, that trace underneath is like a horseshoe. It goes up and back down. Looks like it connects into a smaller trace possibly. And then it also shoots up that way somewhere. Either way, we got that continuity back. So now I know I got a connection on that leg.
The estimate is about $2,515.
Fuck you. No. Leave my car alone. Just leave it alone.